Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's getting a lot of attention lately: collagen. We all want glowing skin, strong joints, and shiny hair, but did you know collagen plays a major role in all of that? As we get older, our body's natural collagen production starts to slow down, and that's when we start seeing fine lines, wrinkles, and those annoying joint aches. But don't worry, nature has our back. There are plenty of foods that can naturally boost your collagen production. So, in today's video, we're going to look at 10 collagen-rich foods that you can add to your diet to keep your skin looking youthful and your joints feeling strong. Let's get started. First on our list is bone broth. This one's a real game changer. When you simmer animal bones for hours, whether it's beef or chicken, you extract all the good stuff, including collagen. What's amazing about bone broth is that it's packed with collagen in a form that's really easy for your body to absorb. So if you're looking to boost your skin's elasticity or give your joints some extra support, bone broth is your go-to. Next up is chicken. Did you know that chicken is a popular source of collagen? That's because it contains a lot of connective tissues. If you've ever eaten chicken wings or thighs, that slightly chewy part is full of collagen. It's especially good for your skin and joints. In fact, a lot of collagen supplements out there are made from chicken. Let's talk about fish, especially fatty fish like salmon. Salmon is rich in type 1 collagen, which is the most abundant form in our bodies. What makes fish collagen so effective is that the particles are smaller and easier to absorb than other types, which means quicker results for your skin and joints. Plus, salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin looking hydrated and youthful. Now, egg whites might surprise you, but they're actually fantastic for collagen production. While they don't contain collagen directly, they're high in proline, an amino acid that plays a big role in collagen synthesis. Proline is basically like the building block for collagen. So next time you're whipping up a breakfast scramble, remember that you're helping your skin stay firm and your joints stay flexible. Let's move into the world of fruits, specifically citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These are loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Without enough of it, your body can't make or maintain collagen. So by adding citrus fruits to your diet, you're essentially giving your body the tools it needs to build collagen and keep your skin looking plump and healthy. Sticking with the fruit theme, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are another powerhouse when it comes to boosting collagen. They're high in antioxidants, which help protect the existing collagen in your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, like citrus fruits, berries are high in vitamin C, which helps your body produce more collagen. And let's be honest, they're delicious too. Now, let's not forget about leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are fantastic for collagen production, even though they don't contain collagen themselves. What they do have is chlorophyll, which gives them that vibrant green color and helps stimulate collagen production in the skin. Plus, greens are full of antioxidants that protect your skin from aging. So toss some spinach into your next smoothie or salad for an easy collagen boost. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster. It's actually a great food for collagen production. Garlic contains sulfur, a mineral that helps your body produce collagen naturally. It also has taurine, which is known to help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. So adding garlic to your diet is a tasty way to help your skin and joints stay in top shape. Next on the list are tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage and helps support collagen. This is especially important because sun damage is one of the top reasons why we lose collagen as we age. So eating tomatoes can not only help maintain your skin's natural collagen, but also prevent future damage. Finally, let's talk about nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. These are rich in zinc, which is super important for collagen production. Zinc acts like a helper for the enzymes that are involved in collagen synthesis. On top of that, nuts and seeds also contain vitamin E, which helps protect your skin's existing collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Snack on them, toss them in salads, or blend them into your smoothies for a collagen-friendly boost. And there you have it. Those are the top 10 collagen-rich foods you can start adding to your diet to keep your skin glowing, your hair strong, and your joints feeling good. The best part is that these foods are easy to incorporate into your everyday meals. Remember, it's not just about one magic food, it's about consistently including these collagen-boosting foods in your diet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you'll be adding to your meals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.